Okay, good morning, student. 10th B, Science 1, chapter number 3rd part. Types of chemical equation. From 8th standard, chemical reactions are there in the textbook. 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. There are lots of chemical equations. Chemical reactions. Mainly that you can divide into four group. This is the very important part of this chapter, because out of this four, 100% in SSC board they will ask one question. So exactly 5 points you have to write. First, name. Second, definition. Third, standard equation. Fourth, example equation. 5, in this 5 title you have to write notes, or you have to clear this thing. To identify or to remember it in a very easy way, I'll show you one best method. With that challenge, that method you will not find in the textbook or in any digest of Maharashtra. This equation, it is a mathematical type representation. Very first of all, reaction equation means what? Chemical equation means it is a representation of reaction by symbol and molecular formula. Why I am using both the word symbol and molecular formula? Because for only carbon, only hydrogen, only oxygen, sometimes it react directly as a gas, and molecular formula: water H2, acid HCl, nitric acid HNO3. So chemical equation is a representation of chemical reaction by symbol and molecular formula. So from lots of equation you can divide into four group only. Any equation you can place in one type. So first type, combination. A plus B gives AB. This is plus, this is minus, this is a combination, compound. When two or more substance combine to form a new compound, that is a combination reaction. Positive, negative electronic attraction to form compound. So it will give a compound. Now this same answer we will write in this way. Name, combination, reaction. Definition: when two or more elements or a substance combine to form a new compound, that is a combination reaction. Now standard equation, standard means this: A plus B, it is AB. Now example equation: A plus B is equal to AB means what? Hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. Iron plus sulfur, iron sulfide. Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate. In equation you will not write word, you will write only symbol, you will write only molecular formula. Explain. Whatever you have written in symbol and molecular formula, that you have to write in a simple sentence. First example I have given, hydrogen plus oxygen is equal to water. H2 plus O2 gives H2. Simple in word. When hydrogen gas react with oxygen gas to form water molecule. Simple word. While writing explanation, no symbol, no molecular formula, no shortcut. All whose mic is on? Close. 67 number. Now, decomposition. Totally reverse. This is the best method how to remember each and every type. Second, name. You will write decomposition reaction. Definition you will write. From the compound, when its constituent element will separates, that is decomposition reaction. Whatever you will write in this, no, same you can write here, reversible. I have written hydrogen plus oxygen gives H2O. Same we can write water gives hydrogen and oxygen. So here you will write decomposition reaction. Here you will write from the compound to separate the constituent element or the substance, that is decomposition reaction. Standard equation AB gives A plus B. Explain. By electrolysis of water, we can separate hydrogen and oxygen. This reaction is decomposition reaction. From iron sulfide to separate sulfur and iron. From calcium carbonate, carbon dioxide, calcium oxide. Like that, from the combination, constituent element or the substance to make separate, that is decomposition reaction. Now displacement reaction. Among all these three, this one is very important. Third one. Plus minus gives plus sign always be used for ions of metal. Negative always we use for non-metal. This is only metal. This is metal with compound. And now replacement. A will take place of B and B will be free. So name displacement reaction. Then definition. More reactive metal when replace less reactive metal from the compound. This is more reactive. Condition should be that this should be more reactive than this. So more reactive metal will replace less reactive metal or the element from compound, that is a displacement. So 1, 2, standard equation, A plus BC gives B plus AC. Now equations, example equation. Iron rod, when you will stir in copper sulfate, iron Fe, solution copper sulfate. We are not in the laboratory, otherwise I can show you that. This is a, I'll use this. This is a iron rod. If we dip into the copper sulfate solution and stir it for some time, when you will remove, so the deep part you will find copper coated, change of the color you will find. So iron, copper sulfate, so copper will be displaced on this iron and it will be iron sulfate. Iron plus copper sulfate, so copper separate, iron sulfate, that is displacement. Follow? You got this? Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 Cu, like that. See this, among these they have asked maximum number of time in SSC board. This is a 2-mark question. 5 different points you have to write. Name. What is name? Displacement reaction. Then second, definition. More reactive material. Replace less reactive material from the compound. That is a displacement reaction. Then standard equation, standard for all displacement reaction, what you can write? A positive active material plus BC gives AC. Always in a compound, no, we write positive first. Positive means metallic ion, negative means non-metallic ion. Correct? Now this is single displacement, exactly same double displacement. How? Double. This is AB plus CD gives, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. AD plus first CB AB plus minus will get separated. A plus B minus. C also gets CD also gets separated. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Now they will exchange. This positive will go with this negative, this positive will go with this negative. So A and D. C, D. So single displacement, second displacement, that is why it is double displacement. Name, double displacement. Then definition. Two compound. This is auto generated attendance. Why you are sending message for this? You are distracting. double displacement reaction. Heading you can copy from the question only, which they have asked, which is right. Then definition. From two, the combination of two compound gives two new compound. These are the two compound. Combination, after reaction, they will give two new compound, not the original one. That is double decomposition reaction. Displacement, double displacement. From two solution or from two compound, it react with each other to form two new compound. That is double displacement. This example we will take as acid plus base gives salt and water. Why particularly I am taking that I am explaining. Acid plus base gives salt and water. Acid, for example, HCl, plus base, sodium hydroxide. So this acid will split up into positive, negative. This will split up into positive, negative. This positive goes with this, so it becomes H2O. This goes with this, sodium chloride. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives sodium chloride and water. Two compound after reaction gives two different compound. That is double displacement reaction. Why particularly this example I have selected? Because after this there is one topic, neutralization. First of all, what is the meaning of neutralization? Acid neutralize the base and base neutralize the acid. So acid and base when mix with each other, combine with each other, react with each other, at that time they neutralize each other. Acid neutralize base, at same time base neutralize acid, and they give sodium chloride and water. Both are neutral. Now they are not acid, they are not base. One step back slightly, we can explain by this. Acid. The simplest test to find the acid and base, there is a litmus test. Take one blue litmus and take one red litmus. Suppose these are two paper, blue litmus, red litmus. Dip both into these two, dip both into the acid. Both you will find red, then it is acid. Then blue and red dip into the base. Remove, you will find both blue. Like that you can test, this is acid, this is base. They are having the properties of acid and base. But when they mix, acid and base mix, acid, base, when they will mix, positive, negative, it is a neutral. Sodium chloride, common salt, which we eat, which we use in kitchen. Sodium chloride, neutral. Second pair, water, neutral. Again, when you will dip into the water, no, both blue and red, both will not change. You will get two different colors. So acid neutralize the base and base neutralize the acid. That is why this process is known as neutralization. This same example you can use for neutralization for the fourth double displacement reaction. So for both common example I am giving, acid plus base is equal to salt and water. That is same for double displacement, double decomposition, double displacement. Sometimes they can use this instead of displacement, they can use double decomposition reaction. In decomposition, compound break down into two parts. Here also, this break down into two parts. This also break down into two parts. It's happened doubles. That is why it is double decomposition reaction. Follow? For that purpose, it is known as also double displacement also and double decomposition also. Double displacement, this single displacement, positive change. Here also positive change with this. This replace this and this replace this. So double displacement and double decomposition. So this is double decomposition, double displacement and neutralization also. This is neutralization also. Again come to this double displacement reaction. Definition: when two compounds combine to form two new compound, that is double displacement, double decomposition. Standard equation: AB plus CD gives AD plus CD. Example equation: acid plus base gives salt and water. Acid, sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride, hydrochloric acid. Acid, hydrochloric acid. Base, sodium chloride. Acid, hydrochloric acid. Base, sodium hydroxide. Salt, sodium chloride, common salt, and water. Two neutral substance will be formed. And reverse question: why it is called neutralization reaction? Acid neutralize base, base neutralize acid. So acid and base both neutralize each other. That is why it is neutralization reaction. So with the neutralization and with this 4.5 chemical reaction type I have included, this is a very important for SSC board and very easy trick to remember, and always you have to write these answers under this heading. For neutralization, name neutralization, that is given into the question, that you have to copy only. Definition: when acid and base react with each other to neutralize each other, that is a neutralization reaction. Standard equation, you can write in that standard equation, don't write AB form that type. You write acid plus base gives acid, salt and water. Okay, then example equation: hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives sodium chloride plus water. Then explanation: in word, now no symbol, no equation. Hydrochloric acid when react with sodium hydroxide base to form at the end of reaction common salt, sodium chloride and water. You will not find these two things separate at the end of the experiment. this salt you will find dissolve into the water. So at that time also you can test with the blue and red litmus test. It is neutral. When you will heat it, when you will evaporate the water molecules, at the end whatever the left residue, that will be the salt, and that vapor, if you will condense, separate into the condenser glass test tube, you will get the water droplet. So water separate, salt. But in one test tube acid, one test tube base, if you will mix into the third test tube, salt and water, you will not get separate. Salt will be melted into the water, so salty water you will get at the end. Students are coming, going, coming, going. What is going on? No need to pick up during the lecture, beta. Now, two more reaction. See this method, this explanation by this step, even not given into the textbook, even not given into the any digest in a solution. So this is the best method, and this ABCD, it is my method that you can use in board. No one give you negative marks, or no one will cut your marks. So this is the best of best method. This video also I will send this, repeat, try to understand, and from this neutralization also they have asked many times, and displacement reaction also they, out of this 400% they will ask 100%. So you have to ready with this 5 points, right? Answer 5 points. In 5 points your answer is 100% accurate, nothing to add, nothing to subtract. Now more to definition. Endothermic, exothermic. Endothermic, exothermic reaction. Take two substance, take two test tube, take two substance, this is solid, potassium nitrate, sodium hydroxide, or in a liquid form, no problem. From one source only, means from one bottle, from one container, from one tap, take water. Why from one? Because the temperature should be equal. In both the test tube we are taking water from same source, means both the temperature are equal. Now in one, add potassium nitrate, in one add sodium hydroxide, and close the mouth of the test tube and shake it wet. Settle for 10 seconds. Shake it, settle for 10 seconds. Then we have to measure the difference in the temperature. How to find the difference in the temperature from the external part of the body, which part is very sensitive. I've used word external because in last year's lecture when I've asked by which part of the body we can test the temperature difference, they answered me tongue. So hot and cool substance you can't. So that is internal. From external, which part of the body is sensitive for the temperature? If you will say hand, no. Because the base of the leg and this palm skin, it is thicker and less sensitive compared to the body skin. So can you tell me which part of the body is more sensitive for that means that part can identify very little difference of the temperature, because with 5-degree temperature, if you will touch this with the finger, you will not find that really there is a difference in the temperature. So anybody can tell me that which part in laboratory also, in when you will perform experiment in 11th and 12th, at that time also you have to use this. Say, anybody knows which part of the body? Because but this skin is thicker compared to this, so more thicker, less sensitive. These are more sensitive. This the gap in between this. So test tube we have to touch in the gap of this. Two test tube, same temperature of the water. Add potassium nitrate, add sodium hydroxide, shake it. Now both turn by turn touch to this gap like this, here or here. From the normal temperature, one test tube's temperature will decrease, you will find it cool, and in one temperature, in second test tube you will find temperature is increased slightly warm. Why this is happening? Because some substance when dissolved, it absorb heat. So when they are absorbing, temperature goes down. Some substance when dissolved in water release heat, so the temperature raise. So the substance after dissolving, when absorb heat, that reaction is known as endothermic chemical reaction, and the reaction in which the heat is released, that is exothermic. Exo means it release outside, endo it absorb inside. When absorb becomes cooler, when endo means cooler, when exo means release, so it becomes warm. So some substance when dissolved in liquid, not compulsory in water only, it absorb heat, that is an endothermic reaction. Some substance when dissolved in water, it release heat, it is exothermic reaction. So these two reactions are also very important. Lots of reaction we have seen: combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, neutralization, endo, exo. These all are the chemical reaction. But is there some factors? Yes, is there are some factor which can affect this chemical reaction, that can make this chemical reaction faster than some chemical reaction slower. Can they do? Yes. So that is also very very important question. First factor is nature of the substance. Here we have seen, no, metal replace less reactive metal. So there are two metal, aluminum and zinc. Zinc double plus, aluminum triple plus. So triple plus is less reactive, double plus more reactive. Less the frequency, higher the reactivity. So one reaction you are doing by aluminum, one reaction you are doing by zinc. Which reaction will be the faster? With zinc it will be the faster compared to the aluminum. So now it is depend on the substance which you are using. Right? So the nature of the substance. Example, aluminum and zinc. Next, concentration of the reaction. Concentration of the solution, sorry. If you will use dilute substance, dilute acid, dilute base, it will react slowly, slowly. It will take some time. But if you will use highly concentrated means if the drop you will get on a plastic or paper or on a wood, it will burn. That much concentrated. So more concentrated, faster the reaction. Okay, on kitchen one corner we used to cut lemon and tomato. That also contain acid. So after some time, no, means after long time, you will find that that much area will be not very shiny. It becomes rough because of this chemical reaction, and also get rust, especially in rainy season. Slowly reaction. But when a strong acid, when you will put on a calcium carbonate, that granite, fast it, carbon dioxide immediately will react, will omit. So reaction depend on the nature of the substance. Reaction depend on the concentration of the subject of the solution. Third, temperature. From freeze, when you will use a cool water bottle and try to dissolve salt and sugar for the sherbet, it will dissolve very slowly. But take a boiled water and try to dissolve salt and sugar, it will dissolve fast. So first point, it depends on nature of the substance. Second, it depends on concentration of the object solution. More the concentration, more the speed. Third, temperature. More the temperature, more the reaction faster. Catalyst, the substance which helps the reaction, but it will not take part into the reaction. At the end, there will be no change in that substance. Only it speed up the chemical reaction, that is catalyst. So first nature, second concentration, third temperature, fourth catalyst. Here don't disturb, Viral. Fifth one, volume of the particle. Suppose a sugar piece are of big shape, it is difficult to dissolve, and when you will crush like flour, very easily one spoon will get spoiled, dissolve. So the volume of the substance also depend. Bigger the volume, it will take more time to dissolve. Why? That I am explaining. Smaller the volume will mix fast. Why? If sugar is of this part, it is a cube. So when you will dip into the water, so like around there are six phase will come in contact with the water. Only 6 phase will come in contact with the water. So from there, touching part, it will start dissolving. But if you will cut here, so it will be 2 part. So more 2 phase will come in contact with the water. Again cut, so more area will come in contact with the water. That is why smaller the shape, faster the chemical reaction. Follow? Smaller the shape, faster the chemical reaction. So type of the factor which affect the chemical reaction, rate of chemical reaction, type, concentration, temperature, volume, catalyst. This 5 point you have to remember. You have to write only word which factor for a vector question, but for a special factor they will ask in the form of reason, that explain why lesser the volume, more faster the chemical reaction, or more the volume, lesser the chemical reaction. So dear student, with the concept you have to learn point wise, and you have to remember the trick, correct? Some time is remain in my plan points are completed. Just now Guru Purnima gone on Saturday, तो एक छोटी सी स्टोरी जो लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा मॉरल की काम। जाकिर हुसैन का नाम सुना होगा, जो मैं तो हमेशा यही बोलता हूँ, जिस फील्ड में जाना वो फील्ड में उसका बाप बनो, टॉप ऑफ द टॉप। वो महाराष्ट्र का नंबर 1 नहीं है, वो इंडिया का नंबर 1 नहीं है, वो वर्ल्ड का नंबर 1 है, शायद ये पूरे सोलर सिस्टम का नंबर 1 तबला प्लेयर है। तो लाइव कॉन्सर्ट था, स्टेज पे सब तैयारी चल रही थी, कर्टन बंद था, और आपको पता है कि वो तबला को ठीक करने के लिए वो उसकी हैमर होती है छोटी सी, तो सब वो स्ट्रेचेस वगैरह देखने के लिए, तो सब वो और उसके सब साजिंदे वो सब कर रहे थे। तो वो भी मतलब गद्दे पे बैठ गए थे, सामने भी वो सब कर रहे थे तबला में सब सेटिंग। तो उसको हैमर चाहिए थी एक, तो उसके जो वो हेल्पर थे साजिंदे, उसको बोला कि ऐसे इशारे से बोला, उसने बोला फेंकू क्या, तो जाकिर हुसैन का शायद ध्यान नहीं रहा, शायद कैच नहीं पकड़ पाया, ध्यान नहीं होगा, तो वो हैमर पड़ी तबला पर और उसका तबला फूट गया। जाकिर हुसैन का तबला कोई वो चालू नहीं था, वो रेगुलर वाला नहीं था, तो कोई स्पेशल जो है लाखों का कॉन्सर्ट लाइव प्रोग्राम होता है, तो उसमें उसका तो तबला स्पेशली बनता है, उसके लिए बनता है। फूट गया वो आदमी, इतना टेंशन में, बाप रे, बोले ये प्रोग्राम में डिस्टर्ब होगा, सर गुस्सा करेंगे, क्या क्या करेंगे, और ये खरीद के दे के या उसका पैसा भरपाई करना मेरी औकात की बाहर की बात है। तो वो वहाँ से ओझल होगा कि मुझे देखते रहेंगे तो ज़्यादा गुस्सा आएगा, तो स्टेज से वो हेल्पर ही था। तो फिर प्रोग्राम अच्छे से ख़त्म हुआ, जाकिर हुसैन ने वो सब बैठ के फिर नाश्ता कर रहे थे, उसको बुलाया कि वो कहाँ है भाई साहब, तो वो हाजिर तो वहीं था, तो आया बहुत डरते आया कि बोले कुछ पनिशमेंट होगी, पैसा भरना पड़ेगा, कुछ होगा। जाकिर हुसैन ने बोला क्यों आप इतने घबराए? तो बोले सर मेरी मिस्टेक थी, मैंने हैंड टू हैंड देना चाहिए था, आपको मैंने फेंक के दिया, तबला टूट गया। फिर जाकिर हुसैन ने जो जवाब दिया ना, जिंदगी में बराबर उतार लेना। हाँ, हंसे, टाइम टेबल मिलेगा। तो एट दी एंड जो जाकिर हुसैन ने जवाब दिया ना, वो ज़िंदगी में एंड तक बांध के रखने वाली बात है। उसने बोला कि बेटा तुझे क्या लगता है कि हुनर ये तबला में है? नहीं, मेरे हाथों में है। तो हुनर जो है ना खुद में है, कोई चीज़ में नहीं है। कोई है ना, मैं 1 लाख की पेन से मैं साइन करूँ तो भी चेक पास होगा, और 1 रुपये वाली भी पेन मिलती है उससे भी मैं साइन करूँ चेक। तो हुनर उसमें नहीं है, हुनर खुद में है। हुनर दिमाग में है, हुनर उंगली में है, हुनर जहन में है, तो खुद में है। तो खुद में विश्वास करो ना। बोले ये तबला क्या, वो दूसरा लाएगी, छोड़ो वो तबला हमें नहीं बजाते, हम तबला को बजा दे। तबला से हम फेमस नहीं, हमसे तबला फेमस। हुनर हम में है, तो तबला वो इट इज़ अ मटेरियलाइज, वो उसमें तो है ना, खुद को इतना बुलंद करो कि कोई चीज़ के लिए आप मोहताज नहीं हो, वो चीज़ आपके लिए मोहताज होनी चाहिए। वो तबला जाकिर हुसैन बजा रहा है तो इसलिए उसकी कीमत है, वो मैं बजा रहा होता तो उसकी कीमत कुछ नहीं है। तो वी हैव टू गिव द वैल्यू टू द ऑब्जेक्ट विल नेवर गिव अस वैल्यू। तो ज़िंदगी में याद रखना, जिस फील्ड में घुसो ना, वो फील्ड का बाप बनना है। टॉप नहीं बनना है, नंबर 1 नहीं बनना है, टॉप ऑफ द टॉप, बाप का बाप बनना है। तब जाके अपनी असली पहचान होगी और कुछ कर पाओगे, और हमारा नाम बीइंग अ टीचर आप रोशन कर पाओगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच। एंड अभिजीत सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर हेल्प, फॉर योर टाइम, फॉर योर cooperation. Thank you student. And this is the new spectacular world of this online and high-tech this thing. Thank you. Shall I close beta? Abhishek ji, shall I close? Thank you beta, your attendance is already record. बिलाल बहुत खुश होने की ज़रूरत नहीं, ऐसा करके दिखाने की ज़रूरत है, तो मैं खुश हूँ। तू खुश हो रहा है, लेकिन मैं खुश कब होगा? जब ये जहन में उतरेगा, जब ये आएगा।